Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to use Google Pay with Cash App. You need to Cash App card to use it in Google Pay. So when you make a purchase with Google Pay, your Cash App card will be one of the payment options. You can use the Cash App card with Google Pay for contactless payment by tapping your phone on a payment terminal. So how you can add a Cash App with Google Pay? First, open your Google Pay app, then select Insights from the bottom right corner. Then you will see an option see or show all accounts. Just tap on it. Then from here you will see bank or credit card balances or payment methods, and an option add account. Just tap on it. Then to use as payment method or to track balance and spending, from from here select to use payment method. Then you can add a card with by a scanner, or you can enter details manually. Then you have to accept their terms and conditions. After accepting this, then you when you tap on accept, your card will be added to your Google Pay. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Pay with Cash App. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.